Nice to see you there. Welcome to Cooking with Chloe. Today we're going to be making chocolate cake bites or whatever flavor you would like. So what you're going to need is one fully baked and cooled cake. You can do vanilla, chocolate, whatever flavor you like. 2 bags of chocolate chips, caramel chips, again, whatever you like, and 1 container of whatever kind of frosting you like. So the first step is to crumble up the cake. Well, put the cake in this bowl and crumble it up. And then I'm going to add the frosting. So I'm going to do that. All right, now that I've got my cake all crumbled up in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add the frosting and mix it in until it's kind of a cookie dough substance. Okay, so now that I've got my frosting and cake combined, I'm going to go ahead and go grab a cookie sheet and some parchment paper. Okay, so now we've got this, and I'm going to begin to roll these into about the same size as a ping pong ball. And then I'm going to pop them in the fridge for about an hour, and then I'll come back. So I'm starting to put the mixture onto the cookie sheet, and one of these things is really helpful to get that perfect shape. So these are really nice so that you can make sure they're the right size.